Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will continue to draw and color these friendly and lovely animals around us. Are you ready? Let's start drawing and coloring right now. First, I will draw an iguana with very unique colors. Iguanas are reptiles with an extremely impressive and unique appearance. Despite their scaly, somewhat thorny skin and sharp eyes, they are actually quite gentle creatures that spend most of their time sunbathing on high tree branches. Contrary to their sometimes misunderstood fierce look, iguanas are very calm, love, peace, and quiet, and only hide when they feel threatened. As herbivores, their favorite foods are leaves, young shoots, and fresh, juicy fruits. Interesting, right? When drawing an iguana, don't hesitate to use unique color tones to make our friend look truly vivid and stand out. Now, let's color neon green. Green. Yellow. Brown. Orange. And finally, add some details to make him pop. Next, I will draw an adorable rabbit. Rabbits are small, gentle animals that are always loved for their soft fur and characteristic long ears. Despite their delicate appearance, they are actually impressive long jump athletes with an extremely keen sense of hearing to detect every sound around them. Contrary to their usual shyness, rabbits are very playful, love to explore, and are always full of energy when hopping around the meadow. As herbivores, their favorite foods are carrots, fresh grass, and succulent green vegetables. When drawing a rabbit, don't hesitate to mix soft tones like grayish-white or break the rules with vibrant colors to make him look outstanding and cute. sketch is finished. Now let's get to the coloring part. Light beige. Light blue. Pink. Sky blue. Light brown. Don't forget to add shadows and highlights to make this rabbit even more vivid. Now, I will draw a very funny koala. The koala is a unique symbol and the pride of distant Australia. Despite their round bodies, thick gray fur, and big fluffy ears, they are actually climbing experts and spend most of their lives sleeping on high tree branches. Contrary to their somewhat dreamy and slow appearance, koalas are very calm, love quiet, and only move when absolutely necessary. As herbivores, their only and very special favorite food is eucalyptus leaves, a leaf that very few other animals can eat. When drawing a koala, mix warm gray tones or even light purple like this one to make the artwork look truly adorable. Now, let's color together. Light purple. Beige. Gray. Brown. Pink. Finally, add add some highlights to make him stand out. Next, I will draw a very calm land turtle. Land turtles are among the longest living reptiles on the planet. Despite possessing a hard shell like a protective fortress and walking somewhat slowly, they are actually extremely persistent creatures with a wonderful ability to adapt to their environment. Contrary to their sullen look, land turtles are very gentle, love tranquility, and often spend the whole day relaxing under the sun. As herbivores, their favorite foods are green vegetables, tubers, and the lush grass along the way. When drawing a land turtle, use classic moss green tones or add geometric patterns to the shell like this one to make the artwork look truly eye-catching. Now, let's color light yellow. Light green, green, brown, and add some highlights to make it pop. Gray for the shadows, white for the bright spots. And finally, a playful squirrel. Squirrels are the most skillful climbing athletes of the old forests. Despite their small bodies, they are actually incredibly agile, intelligent, and have a great ability to balance thanks to their large bushy tails that act like a parachute. Contrary to their somewhat reckless look when leaping between branches, squirrels are very careful creatures and are always busy storing food for the winter. As herbivores, their favorite foods are chestnuts, pine nuts, and delicious forest fruits. When drawing a squirrel, mix warm orange tones with a prominent bushy tail to make him look vivid and full of energy. Now let's get to the coloring part. Orange. Beige. Gray. Reddish brown. Light orange. And a little highlight to make our squirrel stand out. So today, I have finished drawing these friendly animals. Do you find them adorable? If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you all so much.